Halloween time, and I know we're not supposed to eat these kind of things, right, every day. But because it's Halloween, there's Halloween coming, we usually get these, right, in our goodie bags. And I thought we could make a book about candy. Candy! What do you guys think? Yeah! And Miss Courtney, I printed out some pictures of candy. I hope you could see. You're going to choose which candy is your favorite candy, the best candy that you like. Okay, so you could think. How many of you like Skittles? That's your favorite? Okay. Oh, wait. How about this one? Ring Pops? Yeah! Oh, I chose good candy. Oh, how about this one?
I like those.
Gummy worms? You love them, so you're going to have to choose one, okay? And we're going to make a book together about your class, about everyone's favorite candy. And you could choose different candy than your friends, right? You don't have to choose the same one if you don't want. But today, we're going to focus on one of our friends. Do you want to see who we're going to do first? Our friend? Okay, ready? I'm going to show you. 1, 2, 3.
Perfecto!
Oh, perfecto! We're going to work on his favorite candy first. So let's see. We were going to help me, and this is perfecto. Look at him right here. So I thought we could make a sentence together about perfecto. So I was thinking this. Yeah, and he's right here, right? So I thought, let's think of my sentence. I could say, this is perfecto. How about that? It's him, right? Okay, so let's count it. Ready? Show me your fist like this. We're going to count how many words are going to be in the sentence. Ready? This is perfecto. 3 words. Okay, so now I'm going to draw it. Are you ready? This is perfecto. And I was thinking, how do I spell this? It's kind of a tricky word, right? It's a snap word, but it's still kind of tricky. Well, I'm going to look at behind my friends. I'm going to look TH. Oh, yeah. This. Oh, wait. No, that's the. It has a TH too. Oh, I see it right here. This. Let me see. Can you get your, pretend your finger is our pencil, right? Or marker. And you're going to help me write this, okay? Get your hand ready. Here's your paper, okay? And we're going to make the letter T. Let me see. My friend that can make the letter T. How about Isabella?
Okay.
Isabella, can you make the letter T? Because we don't have any T names in our class. Okay.
Yeah.
Can you make a letter T for me? Can you make a capital T? So, look. Like this. See here, my turtle? Can you make a capital, a tall stick, and then cross the top? Ready, everyone? Show me your pencils. Ready? Put on your hand. Tall stick, cross the top. Okay, go. Just make a T right here. Thank you, Isabella. Do everyone's T look like this? Yeah. Nice. Okay, so I'm going to write it. This is. Isabella with the S too again. Anyone else with the S?
Sophie?
Who's Ivan?
Yeah.
Where's Ivan?
Ivan,
come on down.
and
Ivan.
I too.
Oh, look. Ivan.
There's the I.
Is. Can you write is for me? Everyone, take your pen.
Is.
Ready? Is. Ready? Everyone say I. And S. Say is. Thank you.
My name is Sarah Is.
Your name starts with is? Isabella. You're right. Did you hear what Isabella said? Look. She says, my name starts with is. Is that cool?
Yeah.
She has a snap word in her name. Isabella, that's so cool. I should have you do it, huh? Okay, everyone, show me your pointer finger, your little pencil finger again. Ready? Okay, help me reread it. Go. This is
perfecto.
Perfecto. Come right down. What letter does perfecto start with? Okay, let's see if he can make a P. And wait, he's special. So your P has to be capital P. Everyone, show me your pencil, your pointer finger. Ready? Let's make a capital P. Ready? Make a tall stick. And then cross the top and go around. Perfect. Perfecto. Can you write your name? P. Ready? Let's help them. Okay, help me say the letters. Ready? Go. P. Ready? Say
Perfecto.
How many parts? 4. Let's count again. Ready? Go.
Perfecto.